Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our SF1 Fender Flares. These flares are molded from a tri-blend ABS for durability and UV resistant to avoid chalking and fading. Now the SF1s not only add to the look of your vehicle with unique styling details, but also add additional tire coverage to protect your rig. We offer these flares in a flat black, a gloss black, or color match to most trucks' specific paint code. Or if you choose, they're easily prepped and painted once you receive them. Depending on the make and model of the truck, installation is gonna vary, but it's always gonna be a no drill, simple installation using a combination of factory and provided hardware. Each flare is position specific and marked accordingly. Just unbox your flares, add the rubber molding to the backside, unbolt a few factory bolts, install your flare, and bolt it back on using the factory and provided hardware. And installing your SF1 Fender Flares is that easy. In an afternoon, you can have aggressive, good look styling and protection. So when you're ready to add some flair to your truck, you can always find it at roughcountry.com.